Hi everyone. What am I doing? That's not relevant. For goodness sake. What was I saying? Hi everyone, welcome to Better Creating. If you are a content creator and you speak to camera like I do, you'll know how difficult it can be to get those takes right. Some of us make bullet points, some of us just do a lot of takes, some of us are just naturals. Not me. Some of us use a teleprompter, an auto cue. Last year, I made this. It allows you to essentially pop an iPad or a phone under here, put this in front of your camera and read your script directly into the camera. And this might be a solution for you. Now, if you've not been here before, my name's Simon and this channel is about simplifying creative life. I make videos about productivity, hacks for living a more stress-free life, simple living and creating content. Currently, I am downloading the third video I ever edited that I never put out back in June 2020 before I'd even started the channel. I mentioned this in a previous video about my favourite creative apps on the iPad. Check that out if you want to see it. And Marianne, thanks for the comment, said, do-it-yourself teleprompter, yes please. So, enjoy early 2020 Simon, and hopefully this will help you solve your scripting dilemmas if you want to be a little bit more polished at talking to the oh, for goodness sake. You see what I mean? So, teleprompter hack in, let's say, 7 minutes. Let's see if we can do it in that time. thanks for watching. I'm going to put this back together. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye. How does this work again?